Internet and distance education. Fully internet and service is available in all major cities and it's very rapidly increasing. Many small towns and even some villages now have fully internet access. The government aims to provide 10% of government and commercial services via the internet by end 2008 and to equip every school with the computers and connection by the data. PayMe Noor University as a provider exclusive of distance education courses is a state university under the supervision of the Ministry of Science, Research and Technology. As of to 2020, 70% of Iranian schools linked to the local internet. Higher education. As of 2013, 4.5 million students are enrolled in universities out of the total population of 2075 million. Iranian university graduate almost 750,000 annually. The tradition of the university education in Iran goes back to the early centuries of the Islam. By the 20th century, however, the system had become antiquated and was remodeled along the French lines. The country's 16 universities were closed after the 1979 revolution and were then reopened gradually between the 1982 and 1983 under the Islamic supervision. While the universities were closed, the Cultural Revolution Committee investigated profession and the teachers and they dismisses those who were believed in the maximum Marxism, liberalism and other imperialistic ideologies. The universities reopened with the Islamic curricula in the 1997. All higher level institution had 40,477 teachers and enrolled 579,070 students. Admission to the public universities, some are tuition free, is based solely on performance on the nationwide Concours exam. Some alternative to the public universities in the Islamic Azad universities which charge high fee. The syllabus of all the universities in the Iran is decided by the National Council. As a result, the difference of the quality of education among the universities is only based on the location of equality of the students and the faculty member. Among all top universities in the country, there are 3 universities each notable for some reason. The Universities of Tehran has 10 faculties including the Department of Islamic Theology. It is oldest and biggest university in Iran. It has been the birthplace of several social and political movements. Tarbit Madrasa Idris University means professor training university, also located in Tehran, is the only exclusive postgraduate institute in Iran. It only offered master, PhD, postdoc program. It is also the post comprehensive Iranian university in the sense that it is the only university under the Iranian Ministry of Science and Technology system. That the medical schools or other medical schools in Iran are separate universities and governed under the Ministry of Iran Health. And for example, Tehran University of Medical Science is in fact separate from the Tehran University. Sharif University of Technology, Amir Kabir University of the Technology and Iran University of the Science and Technology also located in the Tehran and nationwide well known for the taking in the top undergraduate engineering and science students and internationally recognized for the training competent under the graduates students. It has probably the highest percentage of the graduates who seek under higher education abroad. KN Tusi University of the Technology is among most prestigious universities in the Tehran and other major universities and are Shiraz, Tabriz, Asfahan, Mashhad, Awaz, Kermanshah, Babulsar, Rashid and Omnia. There are about 50 colleges and 40 technological institutions. In 2009, 33.7% of all those of the 18 to 25 age group were enrolled in other of 92 universities. 512 PayMe Noor University branches and 56 research technology institutions around the country. There are currently some 3.0 million university students in the Iran and 1.0 million students study at the 500 branches of Islamic Azad University. Iran had 1 million medical students in 2011. Student in higher education field of study 2010 remarks in engineering and construction 31%. higher development with one of the highest graduation rates in the world. Social science, businesses, and laws 23% limited grant because of the ideologies issues of the developing rapidly. Humanities and the arts 14%, science 10%, highly developed with one of the highest graduation rates in the